Good morning, my dear students. So today I am going to start the topic the integration by method of partial fraction. In the last class we have discussed about the rule of method of partial fraction. Okay, how to resolve a polynomial function into there is a partial fraction. So applying this we are going to do some problems today. The first problems of today's class is you see this integration. The question is integration x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. Okay. So to solve such type of integral, first you have to resolve this particular polynomial function into partial fraction. Okay, and then finally do the integration. So let us suppose that this integral as per our particular rule I have discussed. Okay, since there is a three different factor, linear factor, so we will introduce three constant and write the partial fraction as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay, and after taking LCM in the right hand side you will get this result. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is the LCM, and what will be the term in with multiplied by a. So I think you understand how to take LCM and how you will get this particular expression. Now this expression denominator is this one and here denominator is this one, so both the denominator will be cancelled, and finally numerator in the left hand side is x and numerator in the right hand side is this figure, and finally what you are getting, x equal to what, a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 and c into this. Okay, so our main target is to find the find the value of the constant. Okay, if we get the constant then we will replace it and finally we take the integral. When we take the integral here you will get the integral here also, and this is anything divided by linear, so always use the formula log modulus of x. Clear? Now how to find the constant in this case? There are three constants you have to find. See, when you are going to find the constant a, at the same time you have to put this two result becomes 0. दोनों result एक साथ 0 हो जाना चाहिए. जब a निकालेंगे तब b and c becomes together 0. Okay, how it becomes 0? You see there is a common factor. There is a common factor, this one, x minus 1 in both the expression. And if you put x is equal to 1 here, you are getting this 0 and this is also 0. And finally you are getting the value of a. So you write putting x equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1, what is the value of a? I am directly doing this two term becomes what, this one 0 and this one was 0. And ये क्या हो रहा है? देखिए 1 minus 2 minus 1 हो रहा है and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 हो रहा है. Okay, तो minus 1 into minus 2 what? Twice से हो रहा है. Twice a equal to what? Twice a equal to what? What is x? We put x 1 and finally a equal to what? Half. So this is the value of half. Now putting x equal to what? Next our purpose is to find the value of b. उसको निकालना है, तो उसको निकालने तक क्या करना है, इसको भी 0 करना होगा, इसको भी 0 करना होगा. To make these two terms together 0, what is the common factor? You see x minus 2 is a factor, x minus 2 is a factor. So in such cases you put x is equal to what? 2. So putting x is equal to 2, your left hand side is what? 2. Left hand side is 2 and this one 0 हो रहा है, this one तो 0 हो रहा है, हमें वहाँ कंसर्न करना है. 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1 and 2 minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 1, तो minus b हो रहा है. Okay, and b equal to what? Minus 2. Finally b equal to what? Minus 2. Now to find what constant c. Okay, putting, now to get the value of c you have to put the term containing b and term containing a becomes what? 0. How to make it 0? You have to see the common factor. X minus 3 is the common factor. So if you put x is equal to 3 then definitely it becomes 0, it becomes 0. Okay, and if we put x is equal to 3 here, left hand side क्या होगा? 3 होगा. When x is equal to 3, so left hand side is what? 3. Sorry, left hand side is 3 and what will be the right hand side? ये दोनों टर्म क्या हो रहा है? 0 हो जा रहा है. वी आर नॉट बॉदरिंग अबाउट दिस टू टर्म्स. आवर मेन जॉब इज हियर. 3 minus 1 2 हो रहा है. then this is 1. So 2c. Finally what? C equal to what? 3 by 2. Okay. Now replacing the value of ABC here, and after doing integration, after taking integration, you will find the final result. So what we will do? Replace the value of ABC. Therefore, this equal to, what is the value of A? A equal to what? Half. Half. What is the value of B? Minus 2. It become what? Minus 2. And what is the value of C? 3 by 2. Okay. Finally, your expression, this one is resolved into this partial fraction. Okay. Now taking integration. Therefore, integration of x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. So half is a constant, वो बाहर रहेगा. So integration what? dx by x minus 1. इसमें भी minus 2 बाहर आएगी. Integration dx by x minus 2. Here 3 by 2 will come out. It becomes what? Integration dx by x minus 3. Okay. So see, these are all linear term. These are all linear expression. Okay, and coefficient of x is 1. So obviously you are going to take the formula log modulus of x type. So it can be log modulus of x minus 1 minus 2 into log modulus of x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 into log modulus of x minus 3, and finally add the constant c. So this is your final answer. So काफ़ी interesting है, very interesting, and also that is solving such type of problem is easier for you. Okay, so you have to know the rule. Most important thing is that if you know the rule, there is no any doubt for you, because you know the formula, basic integration formula, fundamental integration, and I have given 6 formulas, and if you know this, you can apply it and you solve the integration. Main thing is the type of the integral as well as the rule of the integration. That is very, very important in integration part. So if you are good in the finite integral, so definitely you will be very good in the definite integral. Okay, so definite integral is actually where just we take limit, but all the procedures are almost same. Okay, same with in the finite integral. Okay. Let us take another question. Integration cos x 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x dx. So here you see your expression in terms of what? Trigonometric function, and in the rule of in the rule of what your the partial fraction method. Okay, where our function is an algebraic one. Okay, algebraic rational function. So we have to reduce into what? Algebraic one. So what we will do first? We will do what? That is method of substitution here. You know, if you take sin x is equal to z, sin x का derivative क्या आ रहा है? Cos x आ रहा है. तो easily we can first step is what? Let sin x is equal to what? Z. Then it is cos x into dx equal to what? dz. Okay, so your integral becomes cos x dx क्या हो रहा है? dz हो रहा है, and 1 minus z into what? 2 minus z. Yes, now this is an algebraic expression. Okay, so very easy to do such type of integral. So what we will do? Let here 1 is there, so you can take 1 by 1 minus z into 2 minus z equal to what? By method of partial fraction, it is a by 1 minus z plus b by 2 minus z. Okay, so after taking LCM, numerator में क्या होगा? Numerator में what is the term? 1 is the term, and in this side numerator क्या होगा? a into 2 minus z plus b into 1 minus z after taking LCM. LCM लेने के बाद क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगी? कैंसिल हो जाएगी. Now our aim is to find the constant a and b. Okay, constant a and b. So what we will do? we will find a, at the same time we'll make b, the term containing b0. तो b0 बनने के लिए क्या पुट करना पड़ेगा, इस फैक्टर को देख लो, z का वैल्यू 1 पुट करो तो क्या हो रहा है, 0 हो रहा है. सो पुटिंग z इक्वल टू 1, पुटिंग z इक्वल टू 1, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तो 1 है and right hand side is 2 minus 1, so a, so ultimately a equal to 1. Putting next, you have to find the value of b to make this term 0. How you can make this term 0? By putting z equal to what, 2, so it becomes 0 हो रहा है. Okay, left hand side तो 1 है and right hand side क्या हो रहा है, 1 minus 2 minus b. Okay, and finally what is b? b equal to what, minus 1. Clear? So what is your integral becomes, okay, what is the value of a equal to what, 1, a equal to what, 1 हो रहा है, and what is the value of b equal to what, minus 1. Now take integral. Okay, this integral is converted into automatically this, therefore integration 1 by 1 minus z into 2 minus z dz equal to integration 1 by 1 minus z dz माइनस से प्लस से माइनस इंटीग्रेशन 1 by 2 माइनस z dz. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, लॉग का फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, लॉग का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करो. लॉग का फॉर्मूला आप यूज़ करेंगे तो क्या होगा, दिस इंटीग्रल बिकम्स व्हाट, ये क्या हो जाएगी, लॉग मॉडुलस 1 माइनस z. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z हियर, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z इज व्हाट, -1. तो वहाँ में क्या मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 1 by -1, दैट मीन्स -1, माइनस आएगी. ठीक है, हियर ऑल्सो लॉग मॉडुलस 2 माइनस z, अगेन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ z इज व्हाट, -1. तो इधर 1 by -1 होगा, माइनस माइनस से प्लस होगा, एंड फाइनली c. बट योर आंसर शुड कम इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट, x. सो रिप्लेस z, जो z को सब्सटीट्यूट किया, z को आप क्या करो, रिप्लेस करो. z मीन्स व्हाट, sin x plus log 2 minus sin x plus c. Okay, so these are the very easy questions, and this type of question asked in the final examination. So method of partial fraction can be used when denominator becomes factorized. So very very important, otherwise you cannot. So let us discuss another question. Suppose x square plus 1 divided by x square minus plus 5x plus 4 dx. So this is a very interesting question. You see here this first you check your integrand. ये जो integrand है, it is a rational polynomial function. And this rational polynomial function is proper or not. If it is proper, then go for resolving partial fraction. Okay, since in this particular case you see highest power of x in the numerator is 2 and highest power of x in the denominator is 2, so both have same degree and therefore it is an improper. So improper होता है तो क्या करना पड़ता है, if you divide, you must what, divide numerator by denominator, उसको एक्सप्रेस करना है. जब पावर सेम रहेगा तो हमें थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट टेक्निक होती है, हम शॉर्ट टेक्निक की यूज़ करें तो इसको क्या करेंगे, देखो दिस इज़ योर ओरिजिनल इंटीग्रल, सपोज आई, टेक इट इज़ आई. ओके, एंड नीचे जो फिगर है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 4, ठीक है, उसको ऊपर में लिख दे पहले. यू हैव टू राइट सेम फिगर, यू हैव टू राइट, बट टू मेक इट बैलेंस व्हाट यू विल डू, बैलेंस करने के लिए क्या करना, माइनस करना पड़ेगा. You have no term containing x, so you have to minus 5x. तो 5x कैंसिल होगा एंड 1 रहेगा, तो इधर क्या माइनस करना पड़ेगा, 3. तो देखो आप 4 minus 3 equal to what, 1 and 5x कैंसिल and ultimately your term becomes what, x square plus 1 dx. ये तब हो सकता है, only you can do when the power are same. Very very important. अगर पावर सपोज इसमें एक्स क्यूब हो गया, इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया, तो आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। इसमें डिवाइड करने का ज़रूरत नहीं, पावर आर सेम। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। नाउ यू कैन सेपरेट दिस इंटीग्रल, दिस डिवाइडेड बाय दिस, ये क्या होगा? 1 हो जाएगी, माइनस 5x प्लस 3 डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 4 dx। ओके, नाउ सेपरेट द इंटीग्रल। इंटीग्रेशन dx क्या होगा? मैं डायरेक्ट कर लेता हूँ x, एंड ये इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? 5x प्लस 3 डिवाइडेड बाई व्हाट? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 4। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Now this particular expression, you see it is a proper rational polynomial function, and numerator क्या है? Numerator क्या है? If you factorize it, it can becomes what? x plus 1 into x plus 4। आप करके देखना। So denominator is also, I am not saying numerator, this denominator is also factorized. Denominator is also what? Factorized. So you can do partial fraction of this particular expression. Let us do the partial fraction of this. Okay, so let 5x plus 3 divide, I am directly write x square plus 5x plus 4 as x plus 1 into x plus 4, which can be written as a by x plus 1, b by x plus 4. Okay, now take LCM in the right hand side and cancel in the denominator. What you will get? You will get what? 5x plus 3 is the numerator in the left hand side. What will be the numerator in the right hand side? A into x plus 4 plus b into x plus 1. Yes or no? Now your main job is to find what? The constant a and constant b. When you find the constant a, you make this term 0. उसको ज़ीरो बनाने के लिए x का वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उसको जीरो, ये x प्लस 1 ज़ीरो कर लो, तो ये x इक्वल टू क्या पुट करना होगा? -1। सो पुटिंग x इक्वल टू -1, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या होगा? 5 इंटू -5 प्लस 3 -2, एंड राइट हैंड साइड -1 प्लस 4 मीन्स 3a, एंड फाइनली व्हाट इज a? Your a will be what? -2 by 3. Okay, and next putting, I am not going to explain, इसमें x is equal to -4 पुट करो, ये 0 हो रहा है, -4 पुट करने से इधर क्या होगा? 5 इंटू -4 इज इक्वल टू what? -20 प्लस 3, तो इसमें -17 होगा, एंड राइट हैंड साइड बिकम्स what? -4 प्लस 1, yes, -4 plus 1 is equal to what? -3a, 3b. Okay, and then b equal to what? 17 by 3. So your b is what? 17 by 3. I hope this part is clear for you. You have no confusion. So this way you have to find the constant. Okay, now replacing this integral, you have to find what integral this, right? That means if you take integral here and putting the value of a, you will get the final answer. Okay, so I am replacing here itself. So taking integration, therefore integration 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 4. What is the value of a? I'm sorry, कितना था? I think 3 by 2 or -3 by 2. Okay, -3 by 2 integration what? 1 by x plus 1 dx, and b is what? 17 by 3. 17 by 3 into integration. ओके, थोड़ा सा उसमें डाउट है मेरे को, जो भी कांस्टेंट हो वो मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना आप लोग, ठीक है? वो -3 by 2 हो या -2 by 3, कोई भी हो सकता है, मैं भूल गया है। तो a by 17 by what? 3, दिस 17 by 3. ओके, So finally minus 3 by 2 log modulus x plus 1, and this is what 17 by 3 log modulus x plus 4. Okay, so this is the final, add the constant c. Okay, finally you add the constant c. So ये this integral का value है, ठीक है. Your original integral is what? I. You have to find I. Therefore I equal to I क्या था रिजल्ट x माइनस, ठीक है. वो माइनस और ये माइनस मिलके क्या होगा? प्लस होगा 3 by 2 log, ठीक है. एंड अगेन माइनस, दिस माइनस एंड दिस प्लस बन के क्या होगा? माइनस 17 by 3 log मॉडुलस x plus 4 प्लस c, ठीक है. दिस इज़ द फाइनल आंसर. समथिंग मे बी देयर इज़ ए कांस्टेंट जो मुझे याद नहीं है, आप लोग नोट कर लिया वीडियो में जाके, नीचे जाके बैक करके थोड़ा पॉज करके देख लीजिएगा इसका एक कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू क्या था, बी का कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू क्या, इस हिसाब से आप वैल्यू पुट कर लेंगे, ठीक है. प्रोसीड्यूर सेम है, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट बॉदरिंग अबाउट कांस्टेंट, रूल शुड बी, योर मेथड शुड बी करेक्ट. ओके, सो थैंक यू. So I have solved 3 questions today in this class, and in the next class I will discuss more problems related to, and there's a little different type of questions I will solve, and another 2 classes will be required to complete the chapter, and then I will move ahead to the next topic, that is the method of parts, how to do integration by method of parts. This is very, very important. Majority of the question asked on that part by method of parts. Okay, you have to understand it. And here in method of parts, what happen, substitution method and partial fraction methods may also use in the problem. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope you understand these questions. I'll give some homework to you, and you go through this homework, solve it, and your more clarity will come on you. So thank you.